Goodness. Why are you still waiting? You can go now.
Go where?
To your house.
Which house? Today you must give me transport. Today you must give me transport. It's not that one you have been doing. Anytime I will come and look for you, you just allow me to go like that. You will not give me any money.
Goodness. You should be understanding me. You know if there is money, I will give it to you.
In this aspect, I don't have understanding spirit. You must give me money.
Okay. Oh yeah, wait. Let's do it as usual. You just go home, with your money. When next you come, I will hide the money to you and give.
I said you must give me money. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not taking any step.
Okay, goodness. You are beginning to shout. Turn out to think I'm disturbing them. Okay. I will agree. How much should I give you?
You give me 1,000.
Huh? You want 1,000 naira? For what?
For transport.
For transport. Are you going from here to Porto Novo? You want to collect 1,000 naira for transport? How much is from here to Ghana?
Okay, how much you want to give?
Okay, hold on. See, let me calculate it. From here to that junction, if you use keke, it's 50 naira. If you use bike, it's 100 naira.
Me, I will use bike.
You use bike? Okay. That's 100 naira. From there to your house is 100 naira. That's 200 naira. Where do you want to collect 1,000 naira? See, okay, I don't want to argue.
Okay.
I don't have change.
Give me the one you have. I'll go and look for change.
You want to change it?
I'll go and look for change now.
What are you looking
for? You even have money.
What is have money?
Nigeria.
Can't you see it's the only money in my bag? Goodness, I'm giving you 500 naira.
Let me go and look for change now.
Give me my change.
I'll go and look for change. You're stingy.
You're taking this money of 18. It's very serious.
All this money.
Boss, please come and change me 1,000 naira, 500 naira too.
You say?
I said make you help me change the money.
Oh, I should help you find change.
Change the money. 500 naira too, I beg.
Now 1,000 this one.
1,000.
The money fine, I like her.
Thank you. But I said make you help me change the money now. 500 naira too, I beg. You see they wait for me.
Oh, you still there here?
Why go? My money there and they say make I go.
I think say you don't go. Yeah, they go.
And give me the change now.
I said they go, I don't collect them.
Collect my money.
Which one will give you change? I said they go.
Boss, change me this money, man, they go now. I go collect my money. I say make you help me find change 500 naira too. You can't collect the money.
And they talk, you they shout, you they smoke it, bro. Oh, yeah, they go. I said they go. You won't fight me. They come on here.
Where's my change?
Now your useless sleep has collected the money.
Which of my useless name?
The one at the backyard.
Oh, see opportunity. I sent you to go and bring my change and they collected your money. See, this is good news. You know why it's good news? See, let me tell you. You don't think when I won't fight for this area. Hey. I have been wanting to fight everybody in this compound. You have given me the opportunity. Go and show me the nipple.
Come on, show me the nipple.
Oh!
Sometimes food they give man joy, they finish na calendar.
Look at the man here. Look at
Neighbor.
She they smoke Igbo.
Now that one I can ask you.
I go beat person for you.
Yes, neighbor. See, you know say I don't like you for this compound. I don't like you. See, I don't look for issue. When go cause our fight. Since, but today don't give me the opportunity. Where the money when you collect for my girlfriend hand?
Okay, she tell you say I collect money for her hand, Abi. I wait till she tell you. No, I come man. Come and follow you talk.
And wait till you want follow me talk.
Come and follow you talk. I need to follow woman. Come
give us our money.
The feeling is different. Yeah, come. Come and they give you chance to follow woman.
We dey shout for me.
Collect the money.
I will collect the money. Don't worry.
So she tell you say I collect money for her hand.
Just give me the money when you say you collect.
No, how much she tell you say I collect for? I say how much she tell you say I collect for her hand.
The money? You collect money?
You dey smoke Igbo?
No.
How much you take I collect for hand?
See, I no make her not lie. She not tell me. She tell me say you collect. Although not be say she really tell me, but she say you collect money. You dey point this gun.
Okay, I dey point you gun. Make I point on that side.
No.
Make I no point on here.
Point.
I dey talk.
She say you collect money, but I no believe am.
Okay.
I no say to believe woman dey hard. I no believe am. As she tell me say you collect money for her hand, I no come believe am. That's why I no believe am. I come feel say,
You don't. If you dey follow me, dey talk, dey bring your mouth. Quick shall be hey. You be man, no.
I know.
Oh yeah, they go. They go. You see they waste. They go. They go.
Isaac, have you collected money?
See, next time if you come in for this kind of thing, I will injure you. What are you saying? Next time if you want to go and do something or you are in trouble, observe the person very well. See, that person you are seeing there, he's my neighbor, but I don't know him very well. It's today that I just know him. I just know him now, not even. If it offends you again, go to your father or call police. Don't come and call me. What do you want to say? If you bring me to any of this kind of issue again, I will break up. And because of my boys, they die anyhow. Look at the population of the world. I will beat you.
When I see they make noise.
Sorry. Well, go and collect your money.
Come.
Sir, CV. Your nyash flat, nyash be like flat tire. We tell you say boys no again nyash. Go ask Ikechuku or you go ask a coffee. You go carry me every time knock.
Now you be the sacrifice. Because I never fight you.
Calm down now.
Wait till me calm down.
I go be that for you.
Which one be your be that for me? You use me do ritual. I go cripple, I go blind, I go deaf, and you tell me say, okay, because I never fight you. Me want carry. I know I carry this. Come give it.
Baba, beg. Make we use am.
Thanks for watching that wonderful video from Laugh Loud Comedy. Please click on the subscribe button. It's very, very free. It's free. Please subscribe to our channel. Please.
And turn on your post notification. Tell them.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yes, so please, so we love you. So you see amazing things from us. Amazing things. Please subscribe. We love you.
Leave that one. Subscribe.